Well, all my stuff's done. Show's about to start. And if you guys are wondering what all the mumbling is, it's because I'm here in the green room just waiting for Mary Poppins to start. I wonder how long until Places, anyway.
We're at 5 minutes to Places for the top of the show. That's 5 minutes to Places.
5 minutes. What can I do in 5 minutes? I know! Yes! Anyone here? Nope. Okay, everyone, now that I got supplies, it's time to show you guys how to make a puppet form. Stuff you find around the house. First, you get rid of the protective thing around, or labeling, I'm not really sure what you would call it, on your soda bottle. That could have gone off cleaner, but I won't. Next, grab 1 or 2 skewers, depending on whether or not you want your puppet to have 1 arm or 2. I prefer 2. Alright, then take your plastic bag, make a quick hole with the sharp edge of the skewer, or on the top where you want your head to be, and then pull it open just enough so you can get the soda bottle in, the top of the soda bottle in there. Like so. Then, set how you want to gather it up and get your duct tape. Or any kind of tape will do. I just prefer using duct tape because it is duct tape. It is never going to break. And there is your head. Now, bottles work really well for this because it also gives you a nice little thing to hold on to while you're moving it like this. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Then, you get your skewers, and you put it in. Doesn't really matter which end you do it. I prefer pointy end first because it's easier to get it in. And do the exact same thing you did with your head. Here's a quick tip. Make sure you do the taping on the inside. Otherwise, it will look ugly. So tape it up like this. Nice and round. And now your puppet has an arm. Say hi, puppet. Hi, puppet. And get your other skewer. And do the exact same thing on the other side. Then, yeah. Same thing all over again, same thing all over again, same thing all over again. And only this time, I'm not going to use that big thing of tape because I want to make this quick.
Who are these for?
And now, it is there, and you have your basic puppet form. Well, it doesn't have. Now time for the decoration. Now you can go simple like I did with this guy. Say hi, George. I am George. Or, you don't have to use these materials, you can do something a little more fancy. Like I did with this guy. Hold on, let me turn his head on. This is the exact thing I did before, only instead of a grocery bag, I used an old pillowcase. But again, skewers are right there. And the bottle's there, only this time I cut it in half and there's a little LED in it, so it'll glow a little. Well, got everything done. What should I do next? Puppet time! Puppet time! Puppet time!
Puppet time!
Puppet time!
Puppet time!
There is no reason, but there is some rhyme. Get your arms up, it's puppet time!
Yeah.
Puppet time! That was fun.
What are you doing?
Puppet time?
We're at Places.
Oh yeah, that.
Yeah, that.
3, 2, 1.
The cast of Mary Poppins would like to challenge Indie Memphis, Literacy Mid-South, Project Green Fork, and Jeffrey Gold!